Have you noticed how miniature vehicle assembly videos are going viral across social media? Just take a look at this Instagram channel. It has gained over 12,000 followers with only 45 videos, and almost every upload is an ASMR-style miniature vehicle assembly video. The best part is that these videos can be created completely with AI, and today, I'll show you how to generate them in bulk using a single master prompt. To make things even easier, I've provided the complete master prompt in the video description, and you'll also find it inside our Telegram channel. When you open it, you'll see 3 different sections. The first section contains the list template prompt, which is used to generate vehicle ideas. The second section contains the actual master prompt that creates the videos, and the final section contains the automation prompt, which allows you to generate multiple videos with a single click. So let's get started. First, copy the list template prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you run it, ChatGPT will generate a complete list of famous two-wheelers from around the world. You can simply choose any vehicle from the list if you want to create a video on it, or if you already have a specific vehicle in mind, you can type its name yourself. Once you've selected your vehicle, go back to the master prompt and copy the entire prompt. Then return to ChatGPT. Let's say we want to create a video about the Kawasaki Ninja H2. If you're creating only one video, you can simply paste the master prompt, but if you want to create multiple videos in bulk, the process is just as simple. Paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, or even into a notepad if you prefer. If you look closely at the prompt, you'll notice that it contains 2 editable sections. The first one is the vehicle section, and the second one is the name and logo section. Inside the vehicle section, replace the placeholder with the name of the vehicle you want to create a video about. Then scroll down to the name and logo section and replace it with your own channel name and logo. This helps personalize your videos and prevents others from easily reusing your content. Now that your first prompt is ready, simply leave a little space below it and paste the same master prompt again. This time, replace the vehicle section with the name of another vehicle, such as the Ducati Panigale V4. Then paste your channel name into the name and logo section once again. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Whether you're generating 5 prompts or 50, the workflow remains exactly the same. Once all your prompts are ready, it's time to move on to the automation process. Go back to the master prompt document and copy the entire image automation prompt. Then open Google Flow, and before doing anything else, make sure that agent mode is selected. Next, open the Settings menu and go to Video Generation Settings. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select Omni Flash as your generation model. Once you've done that, click Save. Now paste the automation prompt into the prompt box. If you scroll to the bottom of the prompt, you'll notice a section labeled Paste Your Prompts. Go back to ChatGPT, copy all the prompts you created earlier, and paste them into that section inside Google Flow. That's literally all you have to do. Now click the Generate button. On the right side of your screen, Flow Agent will ask for your approval before starting the generation process. Simply click Approve, and the agent will begin generating all of your videos simultaneously. After a short wait, you'll see that all of your videos have been generated successfully. You can preview each one to check the quality, the accuracy, and the overall assembly sequence. As you can see, the results are incredibly precise and ready to use. Once you're satisfied with the output, simply download all of your videos. You may notice that the downloaded videos contain a watermark. To remove it, I recommend using a website called Gemini Watermark.io. Just upload your videos there, and it will automatically remove the watermark for you within a few moments. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one.